Assalamu-Alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn about EPANET software, one of the most important tools used in water distribution system analysis and design. If you are a civil engineering student, water resources engineer or environmental engineer, this software can be very useful for your studies and professional work. What is EPANET? EPANET is a free software developed by the United States Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. It is used to model and analyze water distribution networks. With EPANET, engineers can simulate how water moves through pipelines, pumps, valves, storage tanks, and reservoirs over time. Main features of EPANET. Some important features of EPANET include hydraulic analysis of water distribution systems, water quality analysis, pipe flow calculations, pressure calculations at different nodes, pump and valve operation analysis, storage tank performance analysis, demand and consumption pattern simulation, components of an EPANET model. An EPANET model mainly consists of 1. Nodes, junctions, points where water demand occurs. 2. Pipes, used to transport water between nodes. 3. Reservoirs, water sources with fixed hydraulic heads. 4. Tanks, used for water storage. 5. Pumps, increase water pressure and flow. 6. Valves, control flow and pressure within the system. Applications of EPANET. EPANET is widely used for designing new water supply networks, evaluating existing water distribution systems, fire flow analysis, water quality monitoring, leakage and pressure management studies, academic and research projects. Why should civil engineering students learn EPANET? Learning EPANET helps students understand water distribution system behavior, perform hydraulic calculations efficiently, complete university projects and assignments, develop practical engineering skills, prepare for careers in water resources and environmental engineering.